You want citrus? This is satsumas. One for Sammie. One more. Citrus fruits can be eaten by dogs in moderate portions. Check it out on Google. They love satsumas and oranges. Let's eat a fix. Good boy. There you go. And there you go. And one last one. You want it, Rex? Look at that cute face. And okay, let me just point out, Sammie, this guy here, has an undershot, so he's drooling quite a lot. Rex does not have much of an undershot, so he's not drooling that much. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. And Mr. Drool. There you go. Oh, you're so gentle, Sammie. Very good boy. That's it, guys. That was all the citrus fruits you'll get today. And here's a pile of drool. It's over, Sammie. There's no more. No more. Finished. There's no more. Cutie boys. Cutie boys.